Good evening. Tonight I wanted to talk about the current track of Hurricane Irma as it moves north through the state of Florida. Now, the current image we're looking at is tomorrow morning around 10 a.m. and it shows the center of rotation near Tampa, Florida at this time. Now, the deeper greens we're seeing north and east of Tampa over Jacksonville, Florida. Now, these areas could receive on the order of 1 to 2 inches an hour. And let's see what that translates to be for the storm. So first off, let's take a look at Venue sky. Again, we can see the deeper burgundies over Jacksonville, Florida, Monday morning. And this particular shot shows, let's say, between the hours of 8 and 11 a.m. on Monday. And we see rainfall totals, let's say, of 3 to, let's say, 6 inches of rain during that time frame. Now, storm totals for Jacksonville look to be on the order of 13.5 inches. Now, this is as of 2 p.m. on Sunday afternoon to, let's say, Wednesday. So, this is not accounting for, let's say, the rainfall that occurred before that time. But even still, these are amazing rainfall totals. 13.5 inches in Jacksonville, and then areas to the west could receive 15 to as much as 16 inches of rain by storm's end. So amazing rainfall totals. And then later in the day, Monday, of course, the storm will track further north through the state of Georgia. And we'd see the deeper greens at that time over, let's say, the city of Atlanta into, let's say, Greenville, South Carolina. Rainfall totals for Georgia will likely be on the order of 6 to 8 inches by storm's end. And just to summarize what we talked about earlier, Hurricane Irma will move north towards Tallahassee, Florida overnight. Irma will likely weaken to a Category 1 during the day Monday. This was a radar image as of around, I guess, 11 p.m. tonight. And then Hurricane Irma will be near Tallahassee, Florida Monday morning. And though we're seeing the center of circulation over the city at the time, the heaviest rainfall will be near Jacksonville. Probably the heavier rains and heavier winds will be over that region at that time. Hurricane Irma will likely weaken to a Category 1 by the time it reaches Georgia, and probably quickly weaken to tropical storm strength during Monday night. Even still, the rainfall totals probably around 6 to 8 inches in Georgia. So we're looking at, let's say, major flooding through the entire state of Florida into most of Georgia. So, devastating impacts for probably South Georgia through all of the state of Florida by storm's end.